In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add tracking number on Shopify. The goal today is simple. You are going to install a tracking app so you can add and manage tracking numbers from your Shopify admin. This is useful because it keeps your customers informed and helps reduce the number of order status questions you receive. To get started, open your Shopify admin. You will usually land on your main dashboard first, and that is perfect. Next, look to the left side of the screen where you see the main menu. Find and click the section called Apps. This is where you manage installed applications, and it is also where you can search for new tools that add extra functionality to your store. When you click Apps, the page will switch to the Applications area. You will see options for finding apps, viewing your installed apps, and managing app permissions. Now, you will search for a specific app called Track 123. In the search area on the Apps page, type Track 123. Make sure the spelling matches what you see on your screen, then confirm that the correct results load. Once the search results appear, click the Track 123 option that matches what you are looking for. This will take you to the app listing page. On this page, you will typically see a description of what the app does, along with key features and screenshots. Take a moment to scan this information so you feel confident that this is the right app for tracking numbers on Shopify. After you have found the correct app listing, click Install. This is the action that begins the setup process. Depending on your Shopify store settings, Shopify may show a short installation flow with additional screens. At this point, you are moving from searching to actually connecting the app to your store, so it is important to follow through carefully. Next, you will see a permissions screen. This screen explains what access the app is requesting so it can perform its tracking functions. You may notice sections that describe permissions related to your store data and order information. Spend a moment reading this information. This helps you understand exactly what the app will be able to do once installed. When you are ready to proceed, click Install App on the permissions screen to confirm. This confirmation step is what officially completes the connection between your Shopify store and the Track 123 app. After you click Confirm, Shopify will process the installation, and you may briefly see a loading message. Now, give the installation a moment to finish. After it completes, you should be able to return to the app area and see that Track 123 is installed. From here, you will be set up to start adding tracking numbers to orders through Shopify, using the integration the app provides. If you do not immediately see the confirmation, refresh your browser or wait a few seconds. Shopify sometimes takes a little time to finalize the installation. When the app is successfully installed, it will be available in your apps list, and you can begin using its tracking features in your order workflow. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.